guys, welcome back to day 5 in my Christmas series. I have 3 super cute and adorable and very colorful DIY ornaments. These are super cute, cheap, easy to make, and one is even edible. You'll need plastic ball ornaments like these that Dollar Tree carries. This first option costs about 60 cents per ornament to make, and all you need to do is get a pack of shiny gift wrapping ribbon. I got this multicolored pack for $1, and it was enough ribbon to easily make 10 ornaments with. For this one, I'm curling my ribbon. If you're not familiar with how to do this, I just used my thumb and forefinger to pull the back side of the ribbon across the blade of my scissors, like you see I'm doing here, and it's going to give you some nice curls in your ribbon. And then just gather up the loops and push them down into the ornament to fill it up. I was able to do 2 ornaments with each roll of ribbon here, and I filled mine pretty full. When you use that shiny ribbon, I love how they catch the light in the tree. For such an inexpensive ornament, I really love how they turned out. By the way, if you're looking for ornaments in that hard to find bright cobalt blue color, this has to be by far the cheapest way to get them. Okay, for the next one, I wanted to use these mini gumballs. They were slightly too large to fit in the 2-pack round ornament that Dollar Tree carries, so you can either fill the large ornament like this one with the gumball. 1 pack of the gumballs will only fill this up about halfway though, so if you're using all items from Dollar Tree, you will need multiple packs of gumballs to fill the large ornament. Or you can use one of these little plastic ornaments that Dollar Tree also carries. I know it's in a little different shape. It's not a round ornament, but I thought this was also super cute. The bottom part twists off and you can easily fill them with the colorful treat of your choice. Like I said, I wanted to do gumballs in here, and you can embellish the bottom edge with some festive ribbon, or what I used was the rhinestone bling wrap that Dollar Tree carries that's sticky on the back, so I was able to just cut out a piece and stick it right on there to complete the look. I love how fun and colorful the mini gumballs look in here. Of course, you could also use Skittles. This pack from Dollar Tree contained enough to fill 1 ornament perfectly. Trolley candies would be great if you want a more pastel colored effect. And for all my fellow chocolate lovers out there, why not use M&Ms? Dollar Tree carried these packs of Skittles, trolley candies, and M&Ms. And there was enough in each package to fill up one of the little round ornaments that Dollar Tree carries. I got all of these ornaments and candies from Dollar Tree, and these ornaments look so bright and colorful. You could even include one of these little DIY candy ornaments in any gift baskets you might be doing, or with any gift cards that you might be giving out this holiday season. Any candy lover would be sure to love this idea. For the next one, I'm using a small ornament from the 2-pack that Dollar Tree sells, but you could do this with the larger one as well if you want to, or even do a combination and do some small and some large ornaments like this. So I'm doing it on the small one, and you'll need these 50-piece pack of the tiny bells. They come in red, green, gold, and silver. I got 1 pack of each, and I just used hot glue to attach them onto the ornament, just alternating the colors as I went along. And it took almost all 4 of the packs to cover 1 small ornament. I did have some of each color left over that I think would have been almost like the perfect amount to completely cover 1 large ornament with no leftovers. So these ornaments are going to cost $4 to $5 to make, depending on the size, but they reminded me of something that I saw in a high-end store online for what I thought was just an unbelievably high price. So I was inspired to try to make this one from Dollar Tree, and even at $4 or $5 each, that's still a small fraction of the price that I saw for something like this online. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and gotten some ideas you can use for your Christmas decor, or even as small gifts for friends or family, and I'm sure most kids would love the candy ornaments as well. I will be using the blue and gold ribbon ornaments coming up in my blue and gold master bedroom Christmas decor video, so stay tuned for that as well. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys soon in the next one. Bye!